Hi my lovely viewers, this is Hello IT World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to fix images not showing in Google Chrome. So for this case we have to know what is images not showing in this. So here already I have a page, so in settings option hopefully there have any kinds of problem or any kinds of setting option has been not revealed. That's why the whole picture will not reveal. Here these sites, if we copy, see, copy, and also we paste, see, this browsing site we can see it easily, but in Google Chrome we can't see it. See, so for solving this problem, so we can go to the settings option. So here the settings, here the privacy and security, we will click here. So at the site settings options, click here. We have to go to the below sections. Here images don't allow sites to show image. See, the options has been marked, that's why it will not work to see the images. So here don't allow sites to show images, so feature and the needed image won't work. If we click this sites can show image, then go to the reload. See, now it can see it properly. So in this way we can solve our problem. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.